everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Firstly, a huge thank you to each and every one of you. On Wednesday at 8 p.m, I reached 40,000 subscribers. I still cannot believe it, guys. I saw it in the morning. I thought, it could be today. It could be today. And 8 o'clock that night, sure enough, there it was, 40k. It means so much to me, you have no idea. So please keep your eyes peeled for the giveaway video that will be coming soon. And just know I appreciate you all. Thank you again massively. So in this video, okay, we are doing resin bookmarks. I know I'm late to the party, I'm late to the trend. They've all been done before, but the reason I'm excited is because I am using my Cricut for the first time on my YouTube channel. I bought a Cricut back in January, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that, but I still haven't really used it, which is really shocking. So today's the day. We're going to make some resin and foil bookmarks using my Cricut, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I ran through the kit I got. The silicone kit is from Amazon. It will be linked down below. I got a pack of 10 bookmark molds. So I decided to go with the colours that I just were really talking to me, and that was black, purple and blue. And I ended up kind of looking at the tassels. So the pack you get comes with multicoloured tassels. I am going to try, if I can, to either make some or to just buy a pack of black, because I really love the black. So yeah, first thing first was to mix my resin, and then I've got 3 separate pots of foil. These molds do not take much at all. I think I made around about 90 grams in total of resin, and it was too much for all of these bookmarks. I ended up making some more on the side. Always have some spare molds handy. Now the black and the gold is my absolute favorite combination. If you've been with me a while, you'll know that I did black and gold coasters about a year ago, and I made a black and gold tray last Christmas, I think it was. But the black and the gold, I just love it. The purple and the silver, this was me. I had Wendy from Toonpish Crafts in my mind at the time because I know purple's her favourite colour. And then the pink on the end, I decided to go with really nice, bright, vibrant pink. So you can see here it's about 2/3 opaque pigment and 1/3 foil. I don't think you can get an easier project than a bookmark, honestly. With the heat, I thought the safest way is to use a lighter because these molds are so tiny. You don't want to use a torch because there's a much higher risk of using a torch that you will melt the silicone. So you can see me here just going back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. Then I was thinking air pockets, so I ran a cocktail stick. I didn't dig it in, like I wasn't really digging, just gently. I don't want to scratch the mold, so I gently rubbed the cocktail stick along the inner edges and just to dislodge any air bubbles that might be stuck in there. And that was it, guys. That was it for the bookmarks. I have to say, when you see the finished result, I can tell you now these have become my new obsession, and I can see me making hundreds of bookmarks that never sell and just sit in my craft room because that's the kind of thing I do. Right, we are over in my Cricut corner for the first time on my channel, and yeah, I now can't show you this way because the carnage is real. I had to unbury this thing. Right, I've got my vinyls here, so my plan is to go with some pink, black, gold and silver and just see what they look like against the bookmarks. Now, I don't know how people film videos for YouTube using their Cricut because I don't know how to do like screen recordings and things like that. Ooh, this makes some noise. Are we ready for this mechanism? This is my favourite thing about the Cricut. Forget the fact that it cuts vinyl. Oh, this is so nice. So nice. Now I've got my tools in here already. I've only used this machine maybe 4 or 5 times so far, and I really need to use it more. It's just having projects, having a reason to. So we are open, we are set. I'm just gonna load the program onto the laptop and we'll get to looking at that. So I am the worst YouTuber. I don't know how to do a screen recording on a laptop, and I know that filming on my phone is going to give you a blurry screen, but this is my workspace. Now I'm about to import some text and then we're going to get my words typed out. So I don't pay the monthly extra fee that you can pay with Cricut. I just didn't even know that was a thing when I got the Cricut. So I get all of my fonts that I really want for free from Duff Font, but you cannot sell those as a sale. Like if you're a business, you're not meant to be able to sell those. They're for gifts only. So I am going to be using the font Baby Darling and I love it. Okay, this is what the Baby Darling font looks like. I absolutely love it. I'm going for 2.2 down and 5.3 across. This should fit my bookmarks quite nicely. If anyone's got any Cricut font recommendations, that I just love the swirly writing, and if I can get it longer. So for example, if I want it to be longer to fit the bookmark, then it gets deeper. So there's so much I need to learn about this machine. I've got no clue. I just do the basics and that's my reality. But I'm going to be doing the words relax, laugh, breathe, believe and dream, because I think they will go lovely on bookmarks, because that's when you need to relax, is when you're reading. Again, sorry for the blurry screen here, guys, but I don't know how to screen record properly for you all. I have set my machine to vinyl, the top one. That is because I'm using vinyl. I did have it on Vinyl Plus because I was doing some iron-on gifts a while back, but now I've set it to vinyl, and now I'm going to click link to the machine, and this is when it just cuts it out. Again, like I said, I'm a brand new Cricut user. This is probably my 5th or 6th time using the machine. All I can tell you is, see the numbers at the top there? They are in centimetres. Those numbers across the top of your design space, those numbers correlate to the numbers on your cutting mat. This is all I've learned, guys. As long as I've got that piece of vinyl in the same numbers on the cutting mat that I have on the screen, then the blade's going to cut it out. I mean, it's just genius. And I don't want you to get too excited because it does not go this fast. I have sped the video up for you guys because it's not a fast cutter. So here I am just doing a demold of these, and I absolutely love the way they've turned out. Now they are thick. The bookmarks I already own are paper thin. So I guess as a gift, it's a really nice thing to give as a gift. But they are thicker than most normal bookmark depths, if that makes any sense. So here I am. Don't worry, I do take my gloves off. I very soon realised this is absolutely not going to work with gloves. Here I am taking, they call it weeding because I'm learning. Here I am taking the vinyl off my first word, and all that spare vinyl kind of hurt me a little bit. But this is the bit that they call weeding. I don't know how you guys do it. I struggled with the letter E, you can see here. So it took me a while. But yeah, I mean, it took me a while. I'm not going to lie. The tool I've got in my hand here right now is sharp, so sharp. And you can kind of like take out all the bits that you don't want. But that little bit in the E, yeah, that got me. I don't know how you guys do it so fast. When I've seen people weed, I'm telling you, they are Speedy Gonzales, and I'm just like, how do you do it? But hopefully I'll get there in the end. Look at this. Look at the gold against the black. At this point, I know I'm in love. When you do something for the first time, you either, with me anyway, I either love it, like fall in love, head over heels in love, or I think, nah, this was fun, I probably won't do it again. I already know at this point I am doing this again. I just really, I don't know, I just got so excited by this. And it did make me realise I do need to use my Cricut a lot more. Let me know what you think at this point. The black, the gold combination is my ultimate favourite combination. The impact is so wow. And I don't really know if you can see that, but the gold is actually shimmery as well. Now, as I was sticking all these down, I saved you the film of me trying to weed these out because, trust me guys, it was a long process. I'm a newbie, okay? It was a long process. So I'm not going to put you through that. But as I was looking at these words, I realised they all work really well, except for one word, which is the final word. And that is because I had to make the word a lot smaller. Yeah, you'll see in a second. But this one here, apart from the black and gold, the purple and the silver is my next favourite thing. Now, you can see me using my rubbing tool to really push that down to get it off of that transfer tape. It took a few attempts. Sometimes I would peel the transfer tape back and the word would come off with it. So I'm still learning. I'm still very much a newbie. But if I can do it, 100% anyone watching this who's thinking that they can't, you have to trust me that you can. If I can do it, you can do it. Trust me on that one. You see this here? Laugh. The L and the G, they're above the line and below the line. And this really did not speak to me. All the other words, I could get them nice and chunky, really big, solid words. I could not sit well with that last one. So I did remove it. Look at this mess. I could barely get this vinyl off. So if anyone's got any tips on how to remove that mess from the bookmark, anyone who's used vinyls, please let me know. I am not going to be top coating these because these vinyls are permanent vinyl stickers, and yeah, they won't be coming off anytime soon. So no, I am not top coating. I hope you've really enjoyed the video. These, honestly, I am in love with these. In absolute love with these. I will be putting a tiny little bit of super glue on the end of those tassels just to keep them in place because they were forever just loosening and falling off. But yeah, if anyone's got any Cricut tips like this one here, how do I clean this? I mean, there's still a little bit of residue left over from the vinyl. I could barely get the vinyl off even though it was seconds ago that I put it on. But I hope you've really loved this video and showing you how easy bookmarks are to make. And yeah, any Cricut tips, let me know. And thank you so much for 40k. Keep your eye out for the video. I literally love you all. And I'll see you in the next video.